Good morning everyone. My name is Mahesh. Currently I am doing PhD in IIT Madras. Now we are going to talk about the new 10th batch which we are going to start from March 16th. In this batch mainly we are taking the three main subjects. The three main subjects are, one is mathematics, other one is science and the other one is social studies. I will tell step by step what we are going to do in the first mathematics, next science, next social studies. Mathematics, mainly we will concentrate on concepts. The thing is, whatever the concepts will be there, we will explain them with some realistic examples without touching any exercise problem. So, once we complete the full chapter explanation, then we will give the task to the students that he has to complete every chapter, every sum in the exercise by his own at first. So, by doing this, what I want to make is, we want to create a particular problem solving path in the mind of the student. So, once the ability of solving problems is developed, he can do any new problem which is coming in the same concept. In that way, we will finish the class. After the classes, we are having 3 worksheet sessions. In that 2 worksheets, we will explain by ourselves, and the third worksheet, the student has to do. At the end, we will conduct 2 full chapter tests. Based upon that marks, we will come to a conclusion that how much percentage the student has understand the previous chapter. If you are okay with that student performance, then we will carry on to next chapter. If some students are okay, some students are not okay, those students who are not okay, we will take one repetition class for them and we will make them equivalent to all other students. In this way, we will complete every chapter. This is the plan we are going to take care for mathematics. Apart from this, I can ensure that all the previous year problems which are related to every topic are done, so that he will be aware of which kind of problems they are going to ask in his board exams. So it will be easy for him to predict what kind of question will come from which topic. In that way, we will complete the full mathematics. Next, we will come to the science. The way how we take science is, science mainly we will take with general examples and some topics which are able to explain practically, those we will go with the practical explanation, and we will explain everything with the real life examples. Whatever the concept is there, we will try to connect it to the real life example. After completing the full chapter from the teacher's side, now the student has to read the full chapter line by line. While he is reading line by line, he has to underline the important points. After underlining those important points, he has to write in a notebook. That means he is making a notebook which is made up of all important points of that chapter. At the end of making all important points, he need to create questions based upon that important points. Means by seeing that important points, he has to predict which kind of question he may get related to that point alone. So in that way, we want to inbuild the problem, the question creating ability in the student. If he is able to create his own questions, whatever the questions they will ask in the board exam, he will be able to answer for them. And at the end, here also we will provide 3 worksheets for every chapter. 2 worksheets we will do together, and 1 worksheet the student has to do himself, and 2 tests will be conducted. Based upon the 2 tests, we will come to know the percentage of understanding. Based upon that, whether we need to retake the chapter or we can proceed to next chapter, we will decide. Here also, every question which is given in the previous year, those all question answers we will make the student to write in a separate notebook. This is the plan we have to science. When it comes to social studies, this is a bit different. What we will do is, we will try to explain every chapter in a dramatic way. Like, we will choose some students as with some characters, and we will try to implement the chapter as a drama in our class itself. Hence, if they will be very clear with that chapter, we don't want to make it as boring as a general speech. So in this way, we will explain all the three main subjects: maths, science and social studies. These timings will be in the evening, and it will be from 5:30 to 7. There we will take the classes, and after 7 to 8 the reading session will be there. We are undertaking online batch and at the same time offline batch. Offline batches are available at Adambakam and Madibakam branches. Online batch is also starting from 16th. If any doubt is there regarding our plan and how we execute, you can contact to my number 8124435733. Please explore our new way of teaching. Thank you.